I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Bonbon from FNAF. First, gather your materials. You'll need blue, white, and red craft foam or felt, along with scissors, hot glue, a marker, and a ruler. Also, prepare a base for the body, like a small cardboard tube, and grab 2 small white foam balls for the eyes. Let's get crafting. Now, let's build Bonbon's body. Start by shaping your base material into a cylindrical form. Carefully cut blue foam to wrap around this base, securing it with hot glue for a neat finish. Next, craft 2 arm pieces from the blue foam, each about 3 inches long. Attach these arms firmly to the sides of the main body, ready for the next steps. Time to add Bonbon's distinctive features. Cut out 2 ear shapes from blue foam, then add smaller white foam pieces for the inner ear details. Securely glue these ears to the top of the head. Next, attach the white foam balls for eyes, drawing on the black pupils with your marker. Don't forget to craft a small red bow tie and a white circular button for the chest. For the final touches, carefully glue the red bow tie and white button onto Bonbon's chest. Cut small white foam circles for the cheeks and a tiny black foam piece for the nose, attaching them to the face. Use your black marker to draw a cheerful mouth expression. Once all the glue is completely dry, your adorable Bonbon is ready to be displayed. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.